Behold, a stunning soft gel extension. Smooth, elegant, perfection itself. Also, a terrible idea. Soft gel isn't meant for long extensions. It's too soft, too flexible, a rookie mistake, a violation of nail school law. But I did it anyway. Why? Because the product description says I can. Would a professional brand lie to me? Let's find out. Step 1. Proper prep. Because even when you're making bad decisions, you should at least prep correctly. Applying a nail form correctly is the foundation of a good extension. A proper fit ensures structure, balance, and durability. I want to make sure this form is placed perfectly to give the nail the best possible start. There shouldn't be any gaps, just a smooth transition from natural nail to form. This is the key if you want a seamless extension. Before we get to the soft gel, I'm using my secret weapon for long-lasting nails, bonding agents. First, OPI Bond-Aid. This helps dehydrate the nail, removing any oil that could cause lifting. Next up, Young Nails Protein Bond. This is my ride or die. It adds grip so the gel has something to hold on to, kind of like double-sided tape for your nails. Next up, X-Bond by Akzentz. This is a bonding gel, which means it helps create a strong foundation between my natural nail and the soft gel extension. Think of this as an anchor that locks everything in place, ensuring the gel has the best adhesion possible. I'm carrying this for 30 seconds and also saying a little prayer while we're at it. For the extension, I'm using Build by Akzentz in the shade Porcelain, a soft milky white that mimics the natural free edge of a real nail perfectly. It has a beautiful self-leveling formula, so in theory, this should be really easy to work with. I'm using the brush straight from the bottle to build out the length. The goal is a smooth, even application, letting the gel settle into a clean almond shape. And a little trick, turning the nail upside down for a few seconds lets gravity do some of the work. This helps pull the gel towards the center of the nail where it needs to be thicker. For more precision, I'm using a small brush to fill in any gaps and get into hard-to-reach areas. So far so good. This is starting to look like a natural free edge, but even better. Now that the extension is looking good, it's time to add strength. I'm using Build in Clear to overlay the entire nail and structure the apex properly. First, a thin slip layer to help the gel move smoothly. Then I'm adding a bead in the center and letting it settle to create a strong apex. A quick flip to let gravity do its thing, and we've got a solid looking structure. It's self-leveling so beautifully, this is actually looking pretty good. I'm happy with how everything is looking, so I'm curing for 30 seconds to lock it in. Now for the best part, removing the nail form. This is always so satisfying.
Amazing.
Wait, did it actually work? Did I just break the rules and get away with it? Ooh, look at that. Clean, crisp, and fully intact. Still attached? Check. Still looking good? Double check. Now that the form is off, it's time to refine the shape. I've already wiped off the sticky layer with alcohol. I'm using a 100 and 180 grit file to clean up the sides and shape the nail into a soft almond point. I always start by straightening up the sides. This sets the foundation for a balanced shape. Because this gel is so soft, it files like butter. Super easy to refine without needing too much pressure. And just like that, we have a clean almond shape. Time for the next step. Okay, so now that I filed everything into shape, I'm noticing something. There's not enough gel near the side walls. Alright, no big deal. I'm buffing the surface so I can go back in and reinforce those thinner areas. I'm applying a thin layer of soft gel over the entire nail, but focusing extra product right where it's needed. Those sidewalls need more support. That's better. Just a little reinforcement to make sure this nail actually holds up. Crisis averted. Let's cure this and move on. All right, moment of truth. Does this actually feel strong? Okay, wait a minute. This actually feels pretty solid. It's definitely not as strong as hard gel, but it's way closer than I expected. The free edge has a really nice C-curve, which is essential for a strong extension. Everything looks pretty good. And it's so pretty. The white filler gel makes it look like a natural nail. Now for the finishing touch, top coat. I'm using Shine On by Akzentz, which not only adds shine, but also has a little hard gel in it for extra durability. At this point, every little bit of strength helps, right? But there's only one way to know for sure. I'm doing a wear test, and I'll be back with the results. Alright, it's been 24 hours and here we are, time for a check-in. And we've got a crack, right where the extension starts on the right side. I actually noticed a tiny crack before bed last night, and now it's definitely bigger. I didn't do anything crazy, just regular chores, looking after my toddler, like basically everything I would usually do with my hard gel extensions. But let's see how long I can keep this nail on for. Stay tuned. Exhibit A, the button struggle. This world was not made for moms. I swear, everything I do involves pressing some kind of button, baby car seat buckle, stroller clips, snack container lids, the list goes on. And the crack? Yeah, it's spreading. This might be my nail's final meal. Will it survive the night? I don't know. But let's say a little prayer for this extension. I've been trying to ignore it, but I cannot with this crack anymore. At this point, it's hanging on for dear life. And just like that, gone. We had a good run. Almost 30 hours. But in the end, soft gel just wasn't built for this life. Yeah, this explains everything. You can't do this with hard gel. This is why soft gel just isn't strong enough for long extensions. So what did we learn today? Soft gel is great for short extensions and overlays, but for long nails, hard pass. If you enjoyed watching me completely ignore basic nail tech rules, make sure you like this video, subscribe for more questionable nail experiments, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, hopefully with stronger nails. Bye!